Aging is a natural part of life. But what if I told you that some people are aging much faster than they should? Not because of time, but because of daily habits that silently damage the body. This is called premature aging, and it's far more common than you think. Fine lines in your late 20s, tired eyes even after a full night's sleep, low energy, slow metabolism, and a face that looks older than you feel. These are all signs your body is aging faster than it should. But here's the truth. While we can't stop time, we can slow down how it shows on our skin, our energy, and our overall health. And the best part? You don't need expensive products or risky procedures, just knowledge and small, smart changes to your daily life. In this video, you'll learn how to protect your body from aging too quickly. We'll cover what causes premature aging and how to prevent it naturally. So, what is premature aging? Every person ages, that's biology, but not everyone ages at the same pace. Premature aging happens when the signs of age appear earlier than expected. And most of the time, it's not about your DNA. It's about your environment, your stress levels, your sleep, and your nutrition. Yes, your daily habits might be making you older faster. You see, your body is made up of trillions of cells. As you live your life, eat, sleep, move, and breathe, these cells are constantly repairing and regenerating. But when they're under constant attack from things like poor diet, stress, and pollution, they start to break down faster than they can recover. That's when signs of aging start to appear. Wrinkles, dry or sagging skin, joint pain, brain fog, low energy, poor digestion, even heart problems. All of these can be signs of premature aging at work. But what if you could change that? Let's talk about the biggest aging accelerators. First, chronic stress. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. In small amounts, it's helpful, but too much cortisol over time damages collagen, shortens telomeres in your DNA, and even shrinks the brain. That's right, stress can literally make you look and feel older. Next, lack of sleep. Your body heals while you sleep. When you skip rest, your body skips repair. Less sleep means more inflammation, slower metabolism, and faster skin aging. Good sleep is not a luxury, it's a biological necessity. Third, too much sugar and processed food. High sugar levels damage collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. Sugar also fuels inflammation, leading to disease and fatigue. Fast food, refined carbs, and sugary drinks, they're not just bad for your waistline, they're aging you from the inside out. Fourth, UV exposure. The sun may feel good, but ultraviolet rays break down skin structure. They damage DNA, cause age spots, and create deep wrinkles. Yes, you need sunlight for vitamin D. But overexposure without protection is one of the biggest causes of visible aging. Fifth, toxins and pollution. Air pollution, cigarette smoke, and even chemicals in skincare can speed up cellular damage. Your liver and kidneys work hard to filter these out, but when they're overloaded, the damage shows in your skin and energy. And finally, sedentary lifestyle. A lack of movement leads to poor blood circulation, weak muscles, and slow metabolism. Physical activity keeps cells young, boosts mood, improves skin, and increases longevity. So how do we reverse the damage? Or at least, stop it from getting worse? Here's what really works. Number 1, clean up your diet. Food is not just fuel, it's information. Every bite you take sends a message to your body, a message to either heal or harm. To slow aging, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. That means colorful vegetables, leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. These are rich in antioxidants, your body's natural defense system against cellular damage. Cut down on sugar, trans fats, and anything ultra-processed. These foods may taste good in the moment, but they silently fuel inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 key drivers of aging. Number 2, prioritize quality sleep. Think of sleep as your body's repair shop. While you rest, your brain clears out toxins, your skin regenerates, and your hormones rebalance. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep per night, not just scrolling in bed or dozing off to the TV. Real, restful sleep. Simple tips? Keep your room cool and dark. Avoid screens an hour before bed, and stay consistent. Your body loves rhythm. Number 3, move every single day. You don't have to run marathons. Just move, walk, stretch, do yoga, lift weights, dance, swim. Whatever you enjoy, do that. Exercise increases blood flow, boosts mood, stimulates growth hormones, and helps detox your cells. It's one of the most powerful anti-aging tools on Earth. And yes, regular movement literally keeps your brain younger. Studies show it improves memory, focus, and even reduces the risk of dementia. Number 4, manage your stress. You cannot avoid stress, but you can control how you respond to it. Chronic stress keeps your body in fight or flight mode, which drains your energy, wrecks your immune system, and shortens your lifespan. Start small. Try 5 minutes of deep breathing. Write in a journal. Spend time in nature. Talk to someone you trust. Even laughing more helps. Your nervous system needs moments of calm daily. Number 5, protect your skin the smart way. Your skin is your largest organ, and it reflects what's happening inside your body. To keep it young, use sunscreen every single day. Yes, even when it's cloudy. Number 6, stay hydrated. Dehydration makes your skin dry, your joints stiff, and your energy low. Drink water consistently throughout the day, not just when you're thirsty. Add a pinch of sea salt or lemon if needed, and try to avoid sugary drinks or too much caffeine. Number 7, strengthen your relationships. Believe it or not, connection matters. Spend time with people you love. Join a community. Talk, share, laugh. Humans are wired for connection, and it's one of the most powerful ways to feel truly alive. So here's the bottom line. You don't need expensive creams. You don't need perfect genetics. And you certainly don't need to fear aging. You just need to take care of your body every day. Because aging isn't just about getting older, it's about how you live. If you eat well, sleep deeply, move often, and protect your peace, you can stay vibrant, youthful, and strong far longer than you think. The power is in your hands. Start today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and advice.